How to share WhatsApp group link without admin. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily invite or add new members to your WhatsApp group without being an admin. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're on your WhatsApp, you just want to head over to the group. So I'm just going to show you guys first how it typically looks when you are the admin. So here is a group where I'm an admin. So I'm just going to tap on the three lines here, and you'll see this option, invite via link. Now you can just tap on it and copy the group link and send it to whoever you want. So let me just send it to this person right here. I'm just going to tap on it and then send this link like so. And when you are not the admin, there you still can add new members to the group, but you're not able to copy the link. So in this group, I'm not an admin. As you can see here, I do not have admin access. But what you can do is add members to the group. So just tap on this add option, and as you can see, all of these contacts and all of these people in my contacts are already added. So what you can do is just search for the person in your contacts and then add them directly. And if the admin has turned on the admin approval, then the admin will have to approve the member before letting them in. And that's how you can invite people to your WhatsApp group without the link or when you are not the admin. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.